Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaissery says that it is reckless of politicians to discuss in public issues of national security. Nkaissery says instead lawmakers should be volunteering any information they have with relevant authorities. And on the impasse surrounding the police recruitment, the CS says those who are to report for training today are encouraged to participate in a new exercise slated for the 20th of this month. Aaron Ochieng reports.
After the nullification by the courts of last year's police recruitment, Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaissery says those who are to report for training are encouraged to reapply and that the cancellation does not bar them from participating in the fresh exercise. The National Police Service Commission on Friday said the fresh recruitment will be conducted on April 20th and the training will commence immediately after the recruitment exercise.
Those who are recruited 2014 are also free to report to the recruitment station for them to be recruited.
But even with the directive that stopped the commencement of the training that was meant to start today, a number of the recruits still reported at the Kiganjo Training College, arguing that they were following the President's directive. The recruit said it will be unfair if another exercise is conducted before theirs is determined, adding that they too went through a due process, but they have been denied a chance to join the police force.
Baya sana na pia najua wengine bado tu ndivyo tu wanaishi. Hata sasa nashangaa nikirudi nitakuwa sasa maskini yoyote. Sasa nimeacha ile akiba nilikuwa nimejiwekea, nimeharibu kazi ile nilikuwa nimesimama.
Tumehangaika sana tangu tuchukuliwe. Tulikuwa tunanunua hata vitu zingine expensive zenye tuliandikiwa tukuje nazo.
The recent move could be seen as a gesture to avoid a clash between the judiciary and the executive, which on Tuesday communicated its displeasure over the presidential directive, which conflicted with an ongoing court process. Further still, Interior CS has warned politicians against what he termed as careless remarks that they make in public touching on security. Nkaissery says anyone who thinks he has information that will help secure the country should volunteer the same to relevant authorities.
It is very unpatriotic, and I want to emphasize this word, patriotism. You cannot keep on criticizing national security organs, National Intelligence Service, KDF, Kenya Police, and you are a lawmaker.
The CS also cautioned individuals who claim to be security experts against making responsible comments through the media. Aaron Ochieng, KTN.